Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today I'm going to be cooking Shiro, which is an Ethiopian food. It is super easy to make. So let's just go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, you're gonna need onion, tomato, garlic, jalapeno, Shiro, kibe, which is Ethiopian butter, and salt. So for those of you guys that don't know, Shiro is basically just powdered chickpeas and it has other spices mixed in it. So when you see the recipe, it's gonna be so simple, but it has a lot of flavor. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna start off by adding about 1 to 2 onions. I didn't put any oil in the pan yet. And I'm just gonna cook these onions until they start to become a little bit dry. Alright, so when the onions start to become dry like this, you can add a little bit of water. Just continue to cook those onions down. So right now, I'm actually going to add a little bit of oil and then let this cook some more. So I'm going to put about that much oil. And then just continue to cook those onions down even more. And right now I'm going to be adding 1 tomato, 1 small tomato. This is optional. If you don't have tomato, you actually don't have to use it. But I have it, so I'm going to put tomato. And I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic. I use 2 cloves of garlic right here. A little bit of water as well, just so that these can all cook together. Really, it's that easy. Now just let these flavors cook together. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And then we are almost finished. Now I'm just going to add water to this. So I'll start off with about 1 cup. I'm gonna add more because now basically we're gonna turn it into a wok. This is 2 cups. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to come to a boil, and then when it does, we're gonna add our Shiro. And I forgot to mention too that there's different types. There's like a thick Shiro. That's the one that I'm making. I like thick Shiro. So now that this water is boiling, I put down the stove, start adding the Shiro. This is the main ingredient. It's basically just powdered chickpeas, and it has other spices too. And I don't know, I smelled it, but it tastes really good. So let's start. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna mix it. Okay. I'm gonna add 5. And I'm gonna turn down my stove to low now. I'm gonna mix this together. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water until I get it the right texture. When you're making this, you're gonna have to add little water while you're cooking. So I'm just gonna keep mixing it and adding a little bit of water until I get it as smooth as possible. Just be careful because this thing pops and it'll pop all over you and it'll burn you. So So right now I'm going to add 1 jalapeno, and also I'm going to add some salt. And now I'm going to add some kibe, which is Ethiopian spiced butter. So this has spices in it. The Shiro has its own spices in it, so it's going to be very flavorful. So I'm just going to do about 1 teaspoon, a little bit more than 1 teaspoon. That's pretty much finished. Let's go ahead and put it on a plate with injera and try it out. Alright, so now it's time to try out this shiro that we made. I put a little bit of spaghetti too because normally you don't eat it by itself. Let me try it out. Yeah, that's really good. I like it. Elias will love this because it's spicy. Let's go.
Shiro what? Oh my god, what is this? You burned the onion?
No. He don't know how to eat. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you try it out, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know which food you want, Sudanese, Ethiopian, let me know. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!